My name is Andrew Barton. I have been in business since late 2017. I spent about 10 years in the corporate world doing mostly back office functions, supply chain logistics. Prior to that, I was a military officer for 5 years. Well, I left the corporate world primarily because I was never home and it wasn't the life I wanted to have for my family. My kids were starting to get older. I was gone every week on a plane, traveling with the corporate world. And while it was a good paycheck, it wasn't the lifestyle that I wanted to live for myself and my family. So I just got to the point where I'd had enough of it, I suppose. So I got to evaluate a lot of different franchise opportunities. I went on several different discovery days and met with several different franchises. People at 5 Star Bass Solutions have just been honest, trustworthy people. And I tell all the franchisee potential people that are going to buy into this that they're just trustworthy people and they will do whatever they can to make you successful. People at 5 Star will do anything you ask. They'll answer the phone call at 2 a.m. to help you. But if you don't want their help, they'll stay out of your way. It hasn't been easy, but you don't do it by yourself. Probably the thing I like the most about it though is that on any given day is I control my schedule. I'm a night person, so sometimes I'll do my QuickBooks and my accounting from 10 o'clock till midnight. When nobody's bothering me, I can focus on it. My kids aren't bothering me. I'm not getting phone calls from customers. I can knock it out really fast. When I'm there to do work, I'm there to do work, and I can do it whenever the hell I want. It just has to get done. So I can control my own schedule, and I love that about the job. There's been some key people in 5 Star Bass Solutions that I've identified that have done a tremendous amount of work to help me. And without those people, I certainly wouldn't have been a success. Every day brings something a little bit different. I personally don't like being behind a computer all day. I've done that in the corporate world and I hated it. I don't want to sit behind a computer all day. I want to interact with people. So there's certainly paperwork that has to be done, but there's also a whole lot of hands-on dealing with customers, doing sales with customers, a lot of stuff that's outside the office that allows you to kind of get your hands dirty and not just be sitting behind an office doing accounting all day. That's one of the things I like probably the most about it. You get to interact with a lot of new people. You don't have any huge projects that are maybe hanging over your head for multiple years at a time doesn't seem like there's any completion. You feel like you get things accomplished when you get multiple jobs done a week.